Let's learn how you can change email on your X or Twitter account. I'll show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is similar. So without any delay, let us start by opening X application. From this starting page, you will have to go to your settings. To go there, click on profile icon in top left corner, scroll a bit down and then click on settings and privacy option with this gear icon. Now it will open settings tab. You will now have to go to your account, see information about your account, that's first in a row. And now once again you will have to click on first in a row account information. As you can see, like your phone number and email address. Now it will open account tab. Here you will see email option. Click here. Now you will have to verify your password to continue the process. Once you done that, click on next. And here is change email. Now you will here have to write a new email. Once you done that, click on next. You will get verification code for new mail. Copy and paste verification code on X application and your email will be verified and changed. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.